Home remedies to clear drain clogging. Dear friends, it is a familiar problem associated with all apartment buildings that people often experience drain clogging. It creates so much odor in the house that it disrupts the whole environment. You can employ several primary methods to solve this problem of drain blockage before calling a professional. Here are some household tips on how to prevent drain clogging easily at home. Be careful before throwing anything into the sink. The best way you can avoid this situation of drain blockage is to be careful about what you throw down the drain. Avoid throwing cooking oil, coffee grounds, eggshells, and potato skins in the kitchen, and then when it comes to the bathroom, stop flushing out hair and soup which are harmful to the drain and cause them to block. Never throw them in the sink, rather directly dispose of them in the dustbin. Paint thinner is another thing responsible for drain clogging. Try not to dump them ever. Always use a drain gate to cover the opening of the drain so that it can strain things you throw in the sink. Get essential materials related to the protection of your drain from your local store. For better understanding, you can take a picture of your drain and explain your problem. Get filters and screens from the marketplace and fix your problem of drain blockage. Regular cleaning is very important to prevent drain clogging. A small clog is always easier to get rid of than a serious clog. The home-based solution to drain clogging. As a primary solution to this drain blockage, you can run hot water in the sink after every use. Put your geyser on in the kitchen and let the hot water flow for some time. Else you can throw some amount of sodium bicarbonate or vinegar and let it dissolve for 30 minutes, and pour hot water after that. Hot water is a useful thing to treat drain blockage. It helps wash or to flush out any blockage or any food particles running down the drain. It prevents the food particles to get lined up on the interior surface of pipes, which eventually created the drain clogging. Sodium bicarbonate is an active cleaning agent because it helps in dyeing down the bad odors and leaves a fresh feeling in your drain. Likewise, vinegar is another good solution you can apply to clear your drain. Because of its acidic nature, it removes the organic buildup deposited over time in your drain pipes and thus prevents drain blockage. Another easy solution is to prepare a combination of half cup each of sodium bicarbonate, salt, and vinegar and a couple of quarts of boiling water and pour it into the drain when you go to the bed. Leave it overnight and in the morning, you will find your drain clearing out. It is ideal if you have frequent drain clogging in sinks, showers, and tubs. Get some active chemicals popular in the markets and use them to clear your drain blockage. They are capable of dissolving soap scum and hair. While using these chemicals, always employ some caution. They should be used in recommended quantities, not in large quantities. Removing toilet drain blockage. When it comes to the toilet drain clogging, never flush down heavy paper products. It can disrupt the whole sewage system. Get your septic tank checked by a professional at an interval every 2 or 3 years. A drain plunger is an item recommended to clear out drain blockage. For toilet clogging, you can use it by pushing in and pulling out from the toilet water. A plumbing snake is another device you can use when the plunger fails. It accumulates hair and another sort of blockage material lying in the drain and pulls them out from the drain. Final conclusion. The problem is that drain clogging often occurs at unsuitable times. If ignored, this drain's clogging might lead to large repairs which will cost several bucks. The clog builds up silently out of sight over a period. We will know only when we experience it. So, it is better to take some prevention rather than ending up spending a huge amount on repairing your drain. Once you know how to prevent drain clogging naturally at home, you will be actually saving your money. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.